Good morning to all. Myself, Dr. P. Janagarathinam, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Technology. In my previous video series, I already discussed about the CNC EDM, how we are doing the manufacturing process by using the different types of uh, conventional and unconventional machining process and all. I already discussed. Today, I am going to discuss about how we are converted this kind of manufacturing process into automated. What are the material handling equipments are needed to implement the automation process and all. Today, I am going to actually in my previous recall about the robotic system means robotic system already discussed what are the different types of robotic systems are used. Today I am going to discuss about how we are incorporated the robotic system into the automation industries. Like these are all the some of the applications of robotic systems in our manufacturing sectors like pick and place, machine tending, assembly, welding, packaging, palletizing, inspection, material removal, dispensing. So all kind of manufacturing process we have to incorporate these kind of robotic systems are in the automation industries, which will be used as an material handling equipment. Okay. So these are all the topics today. I'm going to discuss about why automation fundamentals, automation terminologies, why automation travels in real world. So let's explore automation is a manufacturing used to control the machines, robotics and IT, handle different process with minimal human interventions. The main aim of the automation process is to avoid the human usage as well as the comparable of we have to use the digitalized computers which will be used for data storage and controlling all these details. So this is the automations why we have to use this kind of automations means this is the DT empathize parts. We need automations to control the production process, ensuring increased productivity, reduced costs and improved safety achieved with minimal human involvement. So this is the empathize parts we have to collect it from the different manufacturing industries. They have to expected the increased productivity as well as reduced cost and how we are providing the safety to the human members. So this is the defined part. It is a manufacturing process. Generally, the automation is in manufacturing is the integrations of machines, control units, robotics, material handling equipments, and some of the information technologies to perform the production process with minimum human involvement. It is designed to improve the efficiency, accuracy, safety in the industrial operations, Industry 4.0, and smart factories. So this is the automation terminologies. We have to use the different automation pyramid, which means the field level, control level, and supervisory level, planning level, and management level. So these are all the different levels are incorporated in our automation industries. So these are all the different components we have to incorporated in our automation process, like data fusions, like industrial IT programming. We have to use that Visual Studios, LabVIEW, MATLAB. So a number of programming sectors we have to incorporated in our automation industries, tools and analysis networks, mobile devices, and modeling process. We have to use the a number of CAD devices like Fusion 360, AutoCAD, and other modeling softwares like CAD, CATIA, Pro E. So advanced Fusion 360, it will do the both design and analysis parts, and factory automations, process control, and home automations. So these are all the different terminologies which will be incorporated to providing this kind of automation process. And how the automations in the different roles, we can use the automation process like home automations automates home system supplies, business process automations. If we are starting the business means how we are streamlining this kind of process by using this kind of automations. And robotic process automation, IT automation, industrial automations, industrial revolution, and AI. Nowadays, AI plays a major role for implementing the automation process. integrated the AI to automate the decision making and tasks. They have to perform the task, they have to develop the coding, and they have to control all the entire manufacturing process and test automations. So automate the software testing process. It can automatically testing the process of the automation process. This is the types of automations like fixed automation, programmable automation, and flexible automations based on our necessity and our specifications. We have to select any kind of automation process. This is the applications of automations in the real world like assembly, welding, painting, packaging, and quality control. N number of sectors nowadays. The robotics are perform the pick and place or moving the object from one place to another place. So the major focus for implementing the automation is to reduce the human involvement and human effort. So this is the overall summarize of today's class, like automation in manufacturing, definition and components, why the automation matters, and historical context and applications and strategic importance. And additionally, we have to discuss about the different types of automation process are incorporated in our industries as well as the manufacturing sectors. So this is the two assessment questions based on this today's video. Which of the following is not the advantages of automation? Means high initial cost, increased efficiency. So the high initial cost is the one of the disadvantage. And which of the industry first adopted large scale robotic automation? Means automobile industries. Automobile sectors, they have implemented the first robotic system. These are all the, some of the reference. Thank you. So in our next class, we have to discuss about the one more video which is related to the new topics. Thank you.